Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to recover deleted playlists on Spotify. So if you accidentally deleted your Spotify playlist, I'll be showing you how to restore it. To do this, you will need to go into your device browser, as it's not possible to do this on the Spotify app. So you're going to type in Spotify. Then you're going to tap on spotify.com right here. And from here, you want to enter your login information. So you will tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then tap on login. And once you have done that, you'll enter your login information. Let me enter mine real quick. Then tap on dismiss. The next thing you're going to do is tap on the settings cog in the top right hand corner. Then select view account. And from the drop down menu, you're going to tap on account overview. Then you'll tap on recover playlist. And here you'll see your deleted playlist. And you can tap on restore. And as you can see right there, restored. Now if I should go back into the Spotify app, real quick, tap on library, you will see playlist, and you can see right there it has been restored. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.